What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Weeble is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Weeble brokerage account, put at least $1 in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Go click on that Weeble link. Open up your new brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, the Fed has done it again. $200 billion in stock market value down the drain in one day. Some of you guys might be saying, well, what are you talking about? Well, if you looked at any financial news network, anything financial on your favorite social media platforms, you'll know on Thursday, Amazon came out with its third quarter earnings report. Also, they talked about their future outlook. And after that, their stock fell by 17%, which is about $190 billion of stock market value dropped because of their lackluster third quarter earnings report and the future outlook. And when I say future outlook, I'm really talking about the holiday season. They do not think that's going to be good for them. And the market reacted adversely. Apple also came out with its earnings report this week as well for the third quarter. And again, did not hit third quarter revenue projections. Future outlook looks a little bit bleak. Short-term future outlook. Why? Because of lackluster sales of their iPhone 14. The lower models of the iPhone 14 are not doing that well. See, these big tech companies, guys, who are dependent on consumers buying things from them, are really starting to feel the pressure that the Fed is putting on through increasing short-term interest rates. I keep telling y'all guys, the Fed has waged a war against inflation, and it's going to do everything in its power to get our inflation numbers down. And right now, the way they're doing that is through increasing the short-term interest rates. Short-term interest rates are very important. Why? Because every time they go up, it's harder and harder for companies and consumers to borrow money cheaply, right? Because those short-term interest rates drive into car loan rates. They drive 30-year fixed rate mortgage rates. They drive credit card rates. Those short-term interest rates drive all of these rates that consumers and businesses use when they're trying to borrow money. And as those rates keep going up, it's going to get harder and harder to borrow money. Also, people are starting to get the message. Stop spending money. We got to bring down this overheated economy, and we can see that is starting to happen when you're looking at these big tech giants, customer-focused companies who need consumers in order to buy their products and services to make revenue. You can see these companies are starting to feel the pain just in their third quarter earnings reports and their future outlook of what they think is coming in the fourth quarter. It's not good. So that's where the Fed has caused the stock market this week over $200 billion in stock market value. That's crazy. Here's the thing though, more is coming. More is coming. But that's not bad news, guys, for us investors, us retail investors who are trying to build wealth. That's not a bad thing. Listen, man, I looked at Facebook today, Meta. Meta is trading, guys, under $100 a share. Matter of fact, the last time I looked at it, it was about $99 a share. A year ago, Facebook/Meta was trading around $380 a share. How in the world do you lose that much stock market value in your stock price? Metaverse, that's how you do it. When you put all of your free cash flow, all of your cash reserves, you spend trying to get this metaverse platform going, and it does not work. That's what Facebook did, and now they're paying the price. Will they recover? I think they will. I think they will. Again, Facebook has 2 billion active daily users, guys, across its platforms. That includes Facebook, that includes Instagram, and it includes WhatsApp. 2 billion active daily users. So when you got that many eyeballs inside of your app every day, you're going to recover, in my opinion. Right now, though, advertising sales are slowing down for Facebook as well. Why? Because of other companies and apps like TikTok. People are starting to gravitate to TikTok. So more advertisers are gravitating to TikTok. Nobody wants to advertise on Facebook if nobody's going to buy anything. So they go where the people are going. And right now, people go on TikTok. So that's where some of these advertisers are starting to take some of their dollars. Now, they haven't completely left Facebook, but Facebook is just not the only game in town anymore. And that's hurting their revenue, guys. They missed their third quarter projections, right? So Facebook got to start, managing and making better decisions when it comes to expansion for their company. Right now, this metaverse thing is just not cutting it. And investors are telling them that because they're what? Selling their stock and getting out of it, and the stock is going down. Amazon, Apple, and Facebook. These 3 big tech giants are experiencing a real drop in their stock market value band right now. Again, I think all 3 of them will recover. I'm going to continue buying it, man. Hey, if I get Facebook under $100 a share, guys, that's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer for me because I believe 3, 5, 10 years from now, I think the stock will be fine, right? So if you can buy it under $100 a share, I think you really need to consider that. Same thing with Amazon, right? Amazon's dropping as well. Again, 17% drop in their stock price when they announced their third quarter earnings. Boom, $190 billion worth of stock market value dropped. Now, I don't mean it won't come back. It will come back. But for right now, it's on sale. Why wouldn't you consider that? Same thing with Apple, right? $30 billion in stock market value. 1% of the stock price drop. 1% drop in the stock price for Apple because of lackluster sales. And we're coming into the holiday season. So, hey, man, I don't see them having a really good fourth quarter either. All goes back to what, guys? Recession. That's what we're in. And I know I got people down in the comment section from a couple of my videos saying, we're not in a recession. You don't know what you're talking about. Listen, guys, hey, this is not a convince you channel, right? This is an opinion channel. I'm just giving you my opinion. I ain't here to convince you we're in a recession. Hey, believe whatever you want to believe. I know what I'm going to be doing in order to put myself in a position to take advantage of these cheap blue chip companies, though, and just hold them and build my wealth. You can keep worrying about whether we're in a recession or not. I ain't going to worry about it. I say we are. You say we aren't. Hey, you go your way, I'm going to go my way. But what I'm telling the people who do follow me and do watch the videos so that they can get some idea of what's going on from my perspective, I'm telling you right now, it's a great opportunity to build wealth, man. Go get these companies, man. Go buy these companies. Go get them through dollar cost averaging. Of course, do not spend money you don't have, but you got to invest if you want to build wealth, guys. Wealth is not going to fall out of the sky and hit you on top of the head. No one's going to come knock on your door and give you $1 million check. You're going to have to start making good, strong investments now if you want to build wealth for the future. Drop me some comments and let me know what y'all think about Amazon. 17% drop in stock price. $190 billion stock market value drop. What do you think about that? Do you believe Amazon, one of the great companies in America, will they rebound? I think they will, but I'm curious to hear what you think. If you want those 12 free stocks from Weeble. Click on that link down in the description box. Weeble's going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Weeble brokerage account. Guys, open that account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Thanks. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.